Two rare NASA clips here that are just high order silliness. Look.
Next two EVAs are the most critical. The team will install two huge devices to correct Hubble's vision. The first is a new super camera, the size of a grand piano, called WithPic. It can see to the end of the universe.
You what, mate?
The first is a new super camera, the size of a grand piano, called WithPic. It can see to the end of the universe.
The ridiculous claims that NASA make. A camera that can essentially see forever. Yet they only ever cite CGI. Which they tell us is raw data sets that no one can verify, given to a couple of people who essentially are given free rein then to paint whatever cartoons on the raw data sets they like. Where's this incredible camera that can see forever, see to the edge of the universe? Where is it? Ridiculous. Now listen to Matey Boy talking about space shuttle re-entry here.
When you start hitting the Earth's atmosphere, because you'll start to see a little bit of a glow outside your window. It's white hot outside. It's just as bright as day. And the air outside is 9,000 degrees. Well, that's hotter than the surface of the sun.
Hang on a minute here, fella. Say that again. I just want to make sure.
The Earth's atmosphere, because you'll start to see a little bit of a glow outside your window. It's white hot outside. It's just as bright as day. And the air outside is 9,000 degrees. Well, that's hotter than the surface of the sun.
So the air outside the space shuttle during re-entry is 9,000 degrees. Essentially, you're claiming it's the same temperature as the surface of the sun. And that makes for a great story. Well, until that is, we check the temperature spec of the tiles on the space shuttle. Bear with me. That's what I thought. How can tiles that are spec'd to take up temperatures up to 2,300 degrees withstand air that is outside the space shuttle that is 9,000 degrees? How does that work? Doesn't, does it? These people can't get their stories straight. Cameras that can seemingly see forever, but strangely enough, they only give you cartoons. And stories that just don't add up. Space shuttle spec that just wouldn't withstand the claims that the NASA legend, Matey Boy, was saying regarding temperatures during re-entry outside the space shuttle. It's just all a big silly story. It has no demonstrable science to back its fundamental claims anyway. Just a bunch of deluded fantasists getting more and more triggered over the fact they can only cite silly space pantomime productions as proof of a globe Earth theory. Oh dear.